The fallout from AI is where we're seeming to allocate capital.
You talk about sectors which are undervalued. Any particularly appeal to you, away from the ones you're in already?
Well, it might sound like a broken record, but if
I
we
don't
look,
care if it's the right one. It's good.
but when we look, we literally compare 10,000 global stocks. And look, there's no right or wrong way of investing, but this is the way which suits us and my research and the way I trade. But when we do that, we always pivot towards around 60 to 70% US, and at the moment I think we're 48% tech. So that sounds a little bit boring. But within tech, as I said, there's some pockets of real valuation, especially in the software space. Software suffered a lot last year because they thought AI was going to replace a lot of these software companies, whether it's Adobe or some of these software security companies. We think they're trading at decade lows in terms of valuation. We think they're worth a look, and we've allocated capital there. And again, some of the other stocks, which the fallout from AI is where we're seeming to allocate capital at the moment. And then Novo Nordisk, it had a horrendous year last year. But we think
dropped 54% or something.
Yeah, exactly. So we think this could be the year for recovery. You talked about recovery stocks.
Well, I like looking at
and I think
trashed,
Novo
yeah.
looks reasonably decent.
And you can listen to the full version of that podcast wherever you get your podcasts from.